I'm gonna now go into the setting and bring in console variables. And in here we have some settings. I'm gonna click on this add button to bring in the slot to type the console variable. Now, what actually are console variables and what contribution do they play in our renders? Now, before we go into the console variables, one thing that you need to know in here is that whenever you are previewing your scene or your shot in real time, Unreal Engine actually takes a few shortcuts to give you these real-time results. Those shortcuts may be in the form of reduction in quality in motion blur or in reflections or in shadows or anything like that. So what you need to know is that Unreal Engine takes a few shortcuts or it cuts corners to give you this real-time result and better performance, which totally makes sense because we need smoother experience to build up the scene for our shot, but that shouldn't be the case for the renders. For the renders, we want the maximum possible quality and we don't want Unreal to take any shortcuts or cut corners and compromise on quality. And this is where the console variables come in. In console variables, we can actually type in some commands to override those shortcuts so that we get maximum possible quality for our shot. If we open up the documentation for Unreal Engine 5.3, in here we have several console commands that we can use to override the shortcuts that Unreal Engine takes to give us real-time results. We can simply just copy them one by one and paste them for our render settings. I'm just gonna select this thing and press Ctrl C on the keyboard. And I'm gonna go in here and press Ctrl V. And then I'm gonna type 4 in here. I'm gonna repeat the same process for all of the console commands. Okay, so I've typed in all those console commands in here and this will help us to override the shortcuts that Unreal takes to give us real-time results. I'll provide you with the link of the Unreal Engine documentation and from there you can copy all these commands.